Having someone wonder where you are when you don't come home at night is a very old human need. You come to love not by finding the perfect person, but by seeing an imperfect person perfectly. Sexiness wears thin after a while and beauty fades, but to be married to a man who makes you laugh every day, now that's a real treat. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even heard, but must be felt with the heart. True love is not a hide-and-seek game. In true love, both lovers seek each other. The most important thing in life is to learn how to give out love and to let it come in. There's always some madness in love, but there's also always some reason in madness. Have enough courage to trust love, one more time and always one more time. Sometimes, two people have to fall apart to realize how much they need to fall back together. A successful marriage requires falling in love many times, always with the same person. Love is a game that two can play and both can win. To know when to go away and when to come closer is the key to any lasting relationship. Love doesn't make the world go around. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. Truth is everybody is going to hurt you, you just gotta find the ones worth suffering for. If you love someone, set them free. If they come back, they're yours. If they don't, they never were. Love does not claim possession, but gives freedom.